we are going to explore the aspects of arrays in C++. We are going to write more codes. Instead of keep writing in the main function, let's define a function separately, and from there, let's explore more arrays. So to do so, I'm going to call a function. The function name is arrayConcept function. Call is there. Then we are going to define the arrayConcept function outside the current file. Current file is main.cpp, so I don't want to keep making the file large, so I want to put this function definition in a separate file. So let's define, create a new file. So arrayConcept.cpp. Here, the name of the file, it does not matter, but to make it more readable, let me have the same name as the function, but that's not requirement. There, let's define a void array concept function. So for testing purpose, let's give some message printed on the console. So here is a array concept is the message to display. So here arrays and the functions, and then we call the function in the function call that is there. So first, let's try to fix those errors. And the cout is inside the IO stream library. So let's include the one, and then let's do using namespace std. Now cout and endl is recognized. In the main.cpp, the arrayConcept function is not defined. If it's defined, we can give a prototype so that we can use that. But the arrayConcept is some other file. So how do I say that main.cpp can use some function in other file? That is, extern is the syntax. And then using extern, and then specify type of the function, and then function name and parameter, the way it is defined. So keyword extern in C++ is that telling to the compiler, when you compile the current program, the function definition of arrayConcept is some other place. So externally it exists. So use this signature, this one as the function. Then how do we compile and run the code? We need to go through a few steps. First, we need to compile the main.cpp without the arrayConcept.cpp. That is G++. We use -c, compile only main.cpp. It's there. So compile main.cpp without using any external ones. So if I see the ls, main.o is the result of G++ -c option. Similarly, we do G++ -c and arrayConcept.cpp. We just compile arrayConcept.cpp without using any other things. So -c is the option. If I compile that, and then I can see that now arrayConcept.o has been produced. Now we need to put them together. Main.o, arrayConcept.o, we need to put them together with the libraries we are using. So that is G++, and then use main.o, and then arrayConcept.o, just to specify all of those .o files produced with a G++ command. Then it will put all things together, and it will produce final the executable code a.exe. Of course, on Mac it's a.out. Now we can run that. Then it says arrayConcept. That is the result of this function call.